Taken to the off. All right, the FMS pits, 1400, full safe select. Gotta love safe select. Taken to the off. Didn't act like it wanted to get off the ground. It was interesting. Like it didn't have much up. Get it on up here. Turned safe off and it started nosing down a little bit. So, and that's when my trims level. So that means I've got the attitude trim pretty good and figured out. Oh, you see those speed wobbles? It was right when I let off the sticks. Like I just let off the aileron stick to let the spring center it, and then the plane was bouncing back and forth right there. So that was safe select doing that. So I lowered the gains a little bit on the safe. All right, I'm gonna do a landing approach because obviously we need to work on them. We got one more pack after this, and then it'll be dark. It's like 7:10 right now. I'm going to increase the gains for the pitch and lower the gains for the roll, and then turn my gains back up so I can adjust them down if needed again. Because I'm noticing when I lower the gains to get rid of the oscillation for the roll, that I'm losing some of the gains for the pitch. All right, we got to land it this go around. Working on it. Working on it. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.